Welcome back, everyone. So in our previous two trainings, we had the demo with the extension member properties and extension members operator. And in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can write extension methods within the extension members and how you can extend the behavior. So we must be aware about where class in link. So I will extend the behavior of link here. Right. So first of all, what I will do, I will go to the extension blocks here. So let me put the comments here so that uh, that will be easy for you to remember that what is the demo uh, we had delivered. So here I'm going to add the comment extension properties, right? And then we have the demo with the extension operators, right? All right, so now we are going to overload or extend the behavior of the where class. So before you proceed with the where class, you must import these two namespaces, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write a generic where class, right? So that I can extend the behavior. So within this extension member, I'm going to write my where class. So I'm going to say public I enumerable and then T, right? Template, and then I'm going to say where ex, or you can write the where in small, right? And I will use the func and the predicate, which we already had. So yeah, so Copilot has written the code for me. All right, so you can see this is how I can extend the behavior, and this example is the extension method, right? So I have extended the behavior of where class, and I can apply my any logic here. So this where class is compatible with any data type because of this template key. So let's utilize. So for example, we have the hello world string here, and if I would like to, search the vowel characters within that string, so how I can do that? So I can write where, and then this this named expression, and then I will write AIOU, right? Let's write the capital as well so that we could have more generic OU, right? And let's see that what we will get in string 1 here. So this where class is basically referring from this extension method which we have written here. And at the end of this training, I will show you the comparison chart, and will show you that how this extension members are playing very significant value to make our code simpler. So now let's run the code and see that what the result we are getting. So I'm going to run the code, and you can see here that my this extension method, which was written in extension block, has filtered out the vowel word for me within that string. So this extension method is compatible with any data type. So let me show you a comparison chart with the extension members and with the previous C# classes. So in terms of syntax, earlier we need to have a static class, and within that static class we define static members. But in C#14 we just need to have this extension block, and then within that block we can define uh, as many members or the properties or the operators as we can. And if we talk about the example, so we had the example in our previous videos as well. So so earlier there was no support for the extension properties, but with C#14 we can have this fully support with the extension properties. If we talk about extension methods, you can write more cleaner structure as compared to the previous one with this new release, right? And then if we talk about static extension members, then only the members or the fields in a static class, but whereas in the new extension methods you can have everything here. So let me show you what it means. So okay, so let's open this code here. So in my extension block you can see that I have a class here, and within that class I can define multiple uh, multiple members, properties, operators, right? So it was not possible earlier. All right. So if we talk about the readability, yeah, definitely, as I told you that the readability has improved a lot with this new release, and you can extend the behavior of your any property. And if we talk about specifically multiple members in one block, yeah, it was not possible earlier, as we talked about a while earlier. So now we can have multiple things together. And if we talk about the type safety, so yeah, so we can have a better type safety in the C Sharp 14 release. So in nutshell, boilerplate comparison is also very simple. So in nutshell, when you are using .NET Core latest version, then you should use the actual power of it, and you should upgrade your syntax accordingly. So it is not like that you are working on the latest version and you're writing the syntax in a older way. So that makes your code a bit complex. So this is how the C Sharp 14 is making your code more simpler. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.